Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a very easy, beginner-friendly and rewarding project. We're making hair scrunchies, or what you call hair ruffles, and this is a nice one because you can make it in many different fabrics. You can make it to match your favorite outfits, and you can make it for your daughter, for your nieces. You can make it as gifts. And so if this is the kind of thing that you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. But before we jump into the video, do me a solid and subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, make sure to share, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you know whenever I drop another video. So without much ado, let's go make ourselves some hair scrunchies. So for this project, you need a scrap fabric or a remnant fabric that's at least 20 inches long and 4 inches wide. So once you're ready, measure 20 inches long fabric and 4 inches wide, fold it over 1/4 inch on both sides, and on the short side fold only one side 1/4 inch in. Iron, put the sides to bring the folded edges together, pin and sew along the folded edge very close to the edge, about 1/8 inch seam allowance. It takes less than 15 minutes to make one, and I'm even being very generous with time. So with the short time that you have, you can cut as many fabrics as you can and just follow this tips, and you will get as many scrunchies as possible in a short period of time. This particular fabric that I'm working on here is a stretch fabric, and it doesn't conform as well as the cotton fabric, so I'm just putting the edges together and pinning it, and I'm going to sew it and then turn it right side over. Once you're done sewing the edges together, it's time to cut your elastic. I'm using 7 to 8 inches of elastic here, and I'm using the 1/4 inch cord elastic. If you don't have this, you can always use the flat elastic, but use the smallest that you can find, preferably 1/4 inch as well. And I just like to double the elastic here to give these scrunchies a little bit of strength in elasticity. And so pass the elastic using your safety pin through the fabric and tie the loose ends. And once you have the loose end tied, now you're going to take the rough end of the scrunch and you're going to pass it through the clean folded edge. Once you pass it through, just go ahead and stitch it together, and you're done. For the stretch fabric, we have to turn it right side out since we sewed it with right side facing. So just pin the edge of the fabric to the safety pin and then pass it through the hole to the other side, and then you can just pull it right side out. It's very easy. I really love this method. You can use this for ties too. It works really well. So just like the other one, we have to clean up one of the edges because that's going to be the finishing once we're done. So go ahead and clean up turn the one of the edges in, and then cut your elastic like the other one and pass it through using your safety pin. If you want your hair ruffle to be much fuller and denser than mine, I think you can cut it as long as 30 inches, and you can make your elastic somewhere between 8 to 10 inches, and you get really nice full hair ruffle. I'm also thinking that I might make this with a width of like 6 or 7 to make it like really big and really dense. So go ahead and try different styles and let me know in the comment section below what style and what fabric you guys end up using for this. I'm very interested to hear what you guys think about this. So I ended up making 4 of them. I really love them. I gave 2 of them out as a gift to a friend of mine. I think they're pretty. Just let me know in the comment section below which of these ones that you like. The 2 similar ones are from stretch fabric. One is from denim and one is from Ankara African fabric. Well, my favorite one is the one from the stretch fabric because it feels a little bit fuller. I think if you want to make it from cotton fabric or you want to make it from fabric that's a little bit lighter, you should go a lot wider, maybe somewhere from 6 to even 8 inches wide. So guys, try this. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.